Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Have you ever wished you had eyes on every single angle of your car, all the time? Well, prepare to have your mind blown, because today we're unboxing and reviewing the new 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam, a complete game changer for car safety and security. This isn't just another dash cam, it's a full-fledged surveillance system for your vehicle, offering unparalleled peace of mind. Let's get into why this device is an absolute must-have. First up, let's talk about the star of the show, that incredible 360 degrees all-sides 4-channel recording. Forget those single-camera dash cams that only cover the front. This beast comes with a 3-inch IPS screen and 4 synchronized lenses, giving you a crystal-clear view of the front, rear, inside, and both left and right sides of your vehicle simultaneously. Imagine never having a blind spot again. With a crisp 4K front camera and 3 adjustable 1080p lenses, every critical detail is captured. Whether it's a fender bender, a side swipe, or even an incident involving a pedestrian, you'll have irrefutable video evidence from every single angle. This level of comprehensive coverage isn't just impressive. It's essential for protecting yourself in any situation, from insurance claims to hit-and-runs. It truly brings a new definition to total vehicle security. Now, in today's connected world, convenience is key, and this dash cam absolutely delivers with its 5 GHz Wi-Fi and app control, complete with GPS. No more fiddling with tiny screens or struggling to transfer files. This camera features dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to instantly view, manage, and download recordings directly to your iOS or Android device via the intuitive Vidger app. And we're talking high-speed downloads, making it a breeze to get that crucial footage onto your phone. The integrated GPS is a huge bonus too, as it visually traces your vehicle's path, documenting the exact location of any incidents. This means you can easily share video evidence with precise location data with insurance companies, law enforcement, or even just friends and family on social media. It's all about putting control and access right at your fingertips, exactly when you need it most. But what about when you're not in your car? That's where the 24-hour parking mode steps in, offering continuous protection around the clock. Once you park and turn off your vehicle, this 4-channel dash cam automatically switches into surveillance mode. It actively monitors the front 3 to 4 meter range for any objects approaching your car. If an event is detected, like someone bumping your car or attempting to tamper with it, the camera quickly starts recording for 1 minute, providing crucial evidence even when you're away. Combined with the built-in G sensor, which automatically locks footage upon detecting sudden shakes or collisions, your car is truly protected 24/7. Just remember, to enable this powerful parking surveillance, you'll need to pick up a separate hardwire kit, a small investment for massive peace of mind. And let's not forget the 8 IR lamps and WDR technology for incredible night vision, ensuring clear recordings even in the darkest conditions. Plus, it includes a 64 GB SD card to get you started with loop recording right out of the box. This 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam isn't just a gadget. It's an investment in your safety, your security, and your peace of mind. It's about being prepared for anything the road throws at you, and having the undeniable evidence to back you up. If you value comprehensive protection and cutting-edge technology in your vehicle, then this dash cam is an absolute game-changer you cannot afford to miss. So what are you waiting for? Elevate your driving safety today. Find the link to purchase this incredible 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam in the description below, along with more detailed specs. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments.